Model 2019 VAUXHALL VIVARO TRAFIC. Damaged unrecorded salvage body, silver, panel. Van mileage 76,925. Engine 1,598 cc. 1.6CDTI 120PS E6 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner. The engine on this feels fine. We've turned it over by hand and it feels brilliant, but the wiring loom is damaged. Make what you want of it. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is average. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status: Euro 6 HPI, clear cap. Retail: £9,850. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.